Guys, welcome back to another video. Guys, today's video is our DIY project where you'll be seeing us installing 2 new fence panels in our back garden. Right now we are heading over to check out the fencing at Selco right here in London. Guys, as you can see, we're looking around, no fencing on that side, so we did spoke to one of the workmen who told us that he will go and check over this site here to see if he could find someone to come and assist us to get us the fence panels. Unfortunately, we couldn't wait because it was taking so long, and we couldn't wait, guys, so we did not get the panels, the fence panels here at Selco. Okay, so now we are going to leave Selco and we're going to head to B&Q. So stay tuned and let's go to B&Q. You're a big man. Hello. The man said, Rasta man, take it easy. Junior, stop now. As you can see, guys, we are at B&Q and we are heading towards the section at B&Q where we can find the fencing panels. Come with us.
From now.
Mm.
Actually far from now. But when you get to their sun, you buy these green ones. They mash up.
So which one you gonna get?
I don't really see the quality one when we did use to the one of
Go around there.
huh?
Is that fence?
Put on the green chair and cook them up and I said, you don't do it. And no good. The one in the rough. Don't know about that.
Oh, yeah, narrow.
You want to look like five?
Oh. It's 6 feet, Junior.
These one.
Huh?
This one look good.
Mm-mm.
Let's see. Look.
It's the same thing, isn't it? What about this one? Is it too short? These ones.
Look.
What about this one?
That's short as a 5.
Oh. So it's short. But the area is going to be low?
Yeah.
Mm.
The width alright, but the height not.
So you could have put by it and put the...
No, wrong.
Guys, we decide to choose the short one and then we're going to buy the trellis to cover the top. So guys, we actually finished at B&Q now and we're heading home, guys. So we are going to actually pay for our fence panels because we found the fencing at B&Q, guys. So we're heading to the trade point to pay, and now we finish at the trade point and we are actually heading to put the fencing on the transport, guys, on the car to take it home. All right, yes. Yo. Hi guys, we are back at the house now and Jay's going to start the process of installing the 2 fence panels. Okay guys, so stay tuned, watch the video to the end and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, guys. And while you're at it, turn your post notification on, click all so that when we upload a new video you'll be the first to know. Thank you so much for making it E&J Lifestyle Farm, where we do the work. Uno watch the video.
Out the way. Out the way.
Put my gloves on. Pick up something. So then I think the umbrella should have moved on there.
You know, movie.
So yeah, I work with the umbrella and this umbrella. I understand how you never do things right. Why you working with the umbrella there, so?
Yeah, and that's not good for this one.
Yeah, but I don't think it.
You know, see the man say the sun a burn, go for the umbrella, the sun a burn.
So you want the umbrella?
Summertime,
You want the umbrella?
summertime,
Because you can push it up.
summertime.
If you want the umbrella, you can go way up.
You're not talking to me, it's summertime.
And then
See the umbrella, cause the sun a burn. So then you put the 5 feet and put in transfer. Five feet and put in transfer. circle. Lagi mana tu mah? Buat dah buat.
Buat motor nak ni.
Buat nunggu lagi. Sikap naik tak? Geng. Não vai ser isso. Oh, look.
Try and do this one. Two over. You can do two at left side, then you do the bottom. You might have used something very close today. Is that her?
Something so pushy.
You have a piece of wood you can put there.
Yeah.
Like, add a little piece of wood inside and just
Sorry?
screw. If you get a little piece of wood, slide it down in a little side there. So then you add the piece of the nail. And you break the wood stick, the line stick. Like the bright color up there and my this side, when you did it, it looked the same as the brown one. They're new, so over the years they changed and look like this. So they will look like that. They don't go look like that because they're new, so over the years they So that's how it looks, guys. GoPro turned off itself. Let me charge it up. What happened? Something drop off? Huh? Something drop off over next to it? Huh?
The phone.
Your phone?
It's on cool now, we can break them up and put them. Yeah. I forgot the rest of the foot.
You finished?
Too money nice, yeah. We break them open soon.
Oh.
Sun too hot.
And guys, this is the end result of the two fence panels that Jay installed in our back garden. All right, so this is it, guys. Okay guys, so this is how the fencing look during the night. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for making it E&J Lifestyle Farm.